Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Module 11, the final exam review. Really interesting. Our course technically ends on our next course class date, which is 11/6, but we're going to extend that a little bit so you guys have time to take the final exam. So Module 11 is going to have your final exam overview, but you need to also read Chapter 11. So the two things that you have to do for Module 11 is take a look at the final exam overview, which is a video lecture on what to study for the final exam, and read Chapter 11. There's no technical lecture for Chapter 11. There's also no review questions for Chapter 11. That is exempt, and that's something that's unique for this class because of the way the class date ends and what day it ends on. So review Chapter 11. Take a look at the final exam overview. It's going to talk about the final exam. Luckily, you've just finished exam 2, so you're going to have all your knowledge questions geared up because you know what was on exam 2. That's the majority of what is on the final exam, the same type of questions, so you'll be ready to go watch the final exam overview. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the final exam. The final exam is going to be due on 11/8, so that's Friday. The class technically ends on 11/6, but the final exam is due 11/8 by end of day. You cannot submit the final exam late. Now, it's not going to be open yet for you guys because I'm going to open it. Actually, I'm going to open it for you guys right now. So if you want to go ahead and take it, it's open now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Final exam is open right now. So if you're interested in taking it now, go ahead once you watch the review video and you're ready to go. But final exam is due by 11/8 end of day, which is Friday. So make sure you get that done on time. The password, once again, is RAD2024. It's going to have around 50 questions, multiple choice, short answer, and essay, a lot like the exam 2 review. I would go back again and study those exam 2 terms. But remember, this time you have some great information in your final exam review that wasn't something I did for the exam prior, so exam 2. And many of you, I've already graded your exam for exam 2, which is due tomorrow, and you're doing quite well. So I know you're going to do great in your final exam. So again, this is kind of the last week of the class, your final exam review. You need to go ahead and do that. Take a look at it. Your actual final exam is due 11/8 by end of day, and I'll put all this information in the announcement section. Jump in, start your final exam review as soon as you finish exam 2. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I know this is quick turnaround time, so it can be confusing, but reach out to me if I can help in any way. Thanks so much.